like everyone should have one of these. In this video, I'm going over some stuff that's in my self-care kit. The most amazing, compact things that you can carry when you travel, or self-care items that I personally use daily. That's coming right up. What's going on, guys? If you haven't met before, my name is Johan, and on this channel you'll find some helpful tips and strategy videos to improve your self-care, as well as product reviews just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell for your boy, for your boy. So what I normally use, Johnson & Johnson. Now basically what I use this baby wash for is, like, let's say that I'm out and about and I need something to like wash my face to like get all of the debris and like greasiness out. I definitely use this Johnson & Johnson's baby wash to rinse it off completely and have a nice clean face. And not to mention, I want to talk to these females and they like, oh, your skin is so soft like a baby. This is why. You can't really go anywhere and have like stinky ass armpits. That's disgusting. You need to put some deodorant underneath that. So what I use, I pack my Old Spice deodorant. Now this one is extra strong antiperspirant deodorant. So, ooh, Spider-Man in that. So one cool thing about this deodorant, if you wear like a lot of white tees or like black shirts, it doesn't like leave that nasty yellow or white stain. And not only that too, but it smells pretty good. So the next one here, I actually did a review on this. This is actually a facial scrubber. Basically you apply like your soap, like your baby wash soap, you drizzle some on, put a little bit of water. It's very effective when you use this compared to your fingers. Like your fingers can't really like, you know, dig into your skin cells and kind of like give it a nice wash and clean. Can't forget your toothbrush, mandatory. I brush my teeth literally 3 times a day. Like no joke, 3 times a day. I don't play games when it comes to my teeth, and I don't play games when it comes to my oral health. This right here is my favorite tool. I love this tool to death. Basically, it's the Orabrush tongue scraper. This thing works wonders. When you wake up in the morning, you have that nasty ass breath, and you see all that gunk in the back of your tongue. Enter the Orabrush. They have some fine, small bristles, and when you scrape in the back of your tongue, you just go whoosh, take out all of that gunk and all of that germs and like just bacteria out of your mouth, and your mouth just feels more fresh, more like light. Now when I had long hair, I used this a lot, but because my hair is very short, I don't really use it as often. This is from Texture Pro. Basically it has like little grooves that makes your hair stay curly and like kind of stay like, you know, detangled. Especially with my type of hair, you're gonna get a lot of knots, and we don't like those type of knots. Another brush that I use a lot when I had longer hair was the Tangle Teaser. If I want to make my hair just a little bit longer, I'll use this to make it happen. The Hello Anti-Plaque Whitening Toothpaste. Now, to be honest, I'm just started using this, so I can't really give you my full verdict, but the taste is pretty nice and my mouth feels very fresh and very clean. You cannot have just toothpaste and a toothbrush and a tongue cleaner only. That's only half of the battle. You gotta actually have some mouthwash to go with it. Hello Anti-Gingivitis and Whitening Mouthwash. It makes my mouth extra clean. For some people, they don't want to carry this toothpaste around. It might take up a lot of space. Enter this little bad boy here. This is the Hello Chewable Toothpaste. All you gotta do is take out the sticker, twist open the cap, take out the cotton ball, pop one in your mouth, you chew, and you begin brushing like regular. I also floss. Now, again, by Hello. I don't use it as often, to be honest with you, but it comes in handy when I need it. I wonder what's inside. Nigga, you know what's inside. Regarding self-care around my face, you want to take a look? You can. It's coming right up. I feel like everyone should have one of these. I feel like everyone should have one of these. In this video, I'm going over